There are things you have to ignore. While he was still talking to her, messengers arrived from Jairus' home with the news that it was too late. His daughter was dead and there was no point in Jesus coming now. But Jesus ignored their comments and said to Jairus, "Don't be afraid. Just trust me." Mark 5:35-36. In Mark 5, Jesus was delayed on the way to heal Jairus' daughter when messengers came to Jairus saying, "We're sorry, but your daughter has died. There's no use bothering Jesus anymore." Jesus overheard what was said, but he ignored their comments. Notice the principle. There are times when you overhear negative words about problems you face, but you have to ignore them. Don't dwell on it. Don't give those negative seeds any room in your soil. You're not denying the problem. You're not acting as though it doesn't exist, but you're not letting it take root. You can't have faith if there's doubt, fear, and worry. The scripture says to lean not to your own understanding. Yes, use common sense, but there is no solution to some things we face in the natural. If you try to figure it out, you're going to get confused and discouraged and talk yourself out of it. You can't stop that you heard it, but take the next step and ignore it. Jesus ignored it, prayed for the little girl, and she came back to life.